So this will be a water test between the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus versus the iPhone 10. Now the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, this phone is a super budget phone. I got this for under 200 USD, and this is the cheaper variant, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. And I think this has a Snapdragon 625 or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is the device. Super cheap, budget phone. It's actually a pretty good phone for what it is. Very nice. Anyway, and on the right, of course, the iPhone 10, which we all know is water and dust resistant, IP67. So let's see. What is this? Okay, I want to cancel that. Okay, so let's go. Where's my water at? Here's my water. So you can see, distilled water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, so we're gonna go for about, I don't know, a couple minutes, 3 minutes underwater. So we're gonna go with the iPhone. And then, so here's the clock. I'm gonna start it right now. And the Redmi 5 Plus. Woohoo! Here we go. So we're gonna go for about 3 minutes here. Let's see, how can I do this? There we go. I'm gonna do it like that. Let's see, put my gallon of water away. Put that to the side, and here we go. All right, so I'm gonna speed up the video. See you guys in a bit. All right, so it's been 3 minutes. Time to get these phones out. Let's get it out. All right, put that away. And let's see, how can I do this? Try to get them out at the same time for fairness here. Okay, let's check this out. Let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of go like this. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, put this water away. Don't want to make a mess right now. Okay, let me put the lid on so you don't spill any water. Here we go. Put this ish away. All right, so here's the phones. Okay, go ahead and just wipe it down. Turn the screen off. Wipe it down. Wipe it down, wipe it down. Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down. Okay, got some water on my tablecloth here. Gonna wipe that down too. Try to keep things dry here. All right, flip it over. All right, cool. Now, we all know the iPhone is IP67 water resistant, so I'm gonna put that to the side for now. I'm really curious about how the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus will perform. So I'm gonna go ahead and here we go. And as you can see, hopefully you guys can see that. Screen is still working fine. Pretty cool. Now let's see the YouTube. I'm just gonna play this video. Whoa, look at that.
We make movies, and our hope is just this.
Can you hear that? Here, put it next to the mic.
Even across generations.
Still sounds good.
Films
Very
should be on the
nice.
screen.
Go ahead and close that. Let's see, what else can I test? Test out the camera. See, take a picture of this phone right now. So let's just do this real fast. Now deny that. Here we go. Take a picture of my S8 and okay, here we go. Just activated Bixby.
It's great to meet you.
It's great to meet you too. All right, whatever.
Whenever you need me, I'll respond to your voice or text.
Taking a couple shots. Now allow that.
Here are all of the languages I can speak. Let me know which one you.
Shut up. Okay, let me just allow all this. And here we go. Here's the picture. Okay, let me just. Here we go. See that? So, pictures will come out nice and sharp. I don't think the lens is messed up or anything. Yup. If anything, that little Dunkin' water might even be a good thing for this device. Kind of clean it out a little bit. Very nice. And then finally, just real quick on the iPhone 10. Just do this real fast. Let's see. Calendar. Scrolling through this. Not a problem. Let's see. Let me go on my channel. Hold on a second.
We make movies. And our hope is just this, that they'll connect with
Huh, actually, this is kind of funny. The iPhone 10 speaker sounds a little bit worse. Take a listen.
Films should live beyond the screen. They should resonate and
So I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Hold on, let me try to shake this off. Maybe there's some water in the speaker. I don't know. I think the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus actually sounds a little bit better here. Apple, what's going on? Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again. No, IP67 water resistant? Come on.
expand your world. These are the films that
I don't know, bro. I mean, I don't know. Hold on a second. Hold up.
Una película puede causar
Hold up.
aventuras y en ocasiones superar la prueba del tiempo.
Okay, I'm gonna stop that.
they should resonate and expand your world.
I don't know. I think the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus sounds a little bit better. All right. Well, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to give the win here as far as just the speaker to the Xiaomi. Unbelievable. I don't know, bro. What do you guys think? You guys saw it here in this video. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.